Hey friends, if you encounter attempted switch from DPC blue screen death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to update all the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options in the right pane, click on optional updates and install any optional updates including driver updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to, okay, we'll leave this virus scan, that is not necessary. Then we can run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar. Open Windows Memory Diagnostic and click on Restart Now and check for problems. Okay, and the last one is to verify the drivers. So we'll run the driver verifier tool, search for verifier in the Windows search bar and click on this option verifier run command. Select create standard settings, click on next, automatically select unsigned drivers, next. It will search for unsigned drivers and if it finds it will mention them. If it doesn't find, it will mention that as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.